Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. You see Dex me there. Yeah, over there one top location and I'm sure with them G.
Devon's house.
Yeah, Devon house man. So we're gonna show you how I go on.
Yeah. Food restaurant, I'm gonna reach first. By the way, you have a nice beautiful view around here, sir.
Yeah people, place really nice as you can see.
And the couples them out there as well.
Come on, enjoy yourself right here. Devon house. Yeah. Beautiful Devon house. Yeah man, everything look good over here for real man. Like look at that section over there so they sell food. It's a bakery section. Oh yeah. Yeah, right over that side. Yeah.
Kids play here and restroom.
Yeah. The vibes people. Yeah man, it's the vibes. Oh, to the family. Oh, they have, I guess. Oh, pizza, everything's over here, people. See there's a bar over that side there. Oh, where's the bar there? We'll check out the bar there. Or where's the bar there, okay? Ah. So we have walk around that bar, let's see what's going on in that bar. Hello? Where's the bar? Right there? Alright, so we're at the bar section now, people. Basically, as you can see, and I can see it, the place really nice because all them cheer and something. It's a cool out vibes, man. You see it? Nice trees and everything. Basically, these are the price list, people. Everything expensive, not there for poor people. And the dragon.
Everything good, man.
Everything good. In Nevada.
In Nevada.
In Nevada. Alright. We come back. Hello, good afternoon. Very beautiful place. Sell everything over here in Devon house. So basically this is the direction list as you can see. Yes, thank you, bless up.
Cherokee with you there. Oh, everything you have to do that.